safety include the white stands for liberty, which means freedom. The blue stands for justice. The flag should never touch the ground. As you can see, our country's flag is a very important symbol of freedom and justice. We're proud of all the soldiers who keep thinking of red, white, and blue. They fought for us and all our rights. They fought for many things. And though we may not know each day, we think our veterans just the same.
There ain't no